Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you how to create a video or audio item for your experiment and how participants can view a video or audio item. A video or audio item enables the participants to see a video or hear an audio. Let's go over an example. We're going to focus on the modules and items level. Start by opening your study. Click on Modules. Open your module and then go to Content Items. On the Add Module Item row, click on Video or Audio. Enter your statement and optional description. Click Select Video or Audio and choose the file you would like to attach. The maximum size of this is 3 megabytes. Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. If you would like to change the selected video or audio, simply press Remove and press Select Video or Audio again to select a new video or audio. Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. You can also change the label button or simply leave it empty. If left empty, the button will show OK. Then press Save. Your video or audio item is now saved in your module. When the participant has subscribed to the study and downloaded the TIIM application on their phone, they will be able to open the assigned intervention with its modules and items. If you selected a video for your item, the participant will be able to see the video by clicking the play button. Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. Similarly, if you selected an audio for your item, the participant will be able to hear the audio by clicking the play button. Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. After the participant has finished seeing the video or hearing the audio, they can simply click OK. This will send them to the next item or finish the module. In this video, we showed you how to create a video or audio item for your experiment and how participants can view a video or audio item. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.